Hello students of LKG, welcome to the English spelling class. So students, today we will learn the sound of letter A. 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 Okay, today we will learn the sounds of A. Okay, see the words A. A-N-T, ant. C-A-T, cat. C-A-P, cap. A-R-R-O-W, arrow. S-A-N-D, sand. A-D-D, add. S-A-T, sat. T-A-P, tap. A-P-P-L-E, apple. A-X-E, X. Okay? And cat, cap, arrow, sand, add, sat, tap, apple, axe. Okay, so arrow. This is known as arrow. Okay, this is arrow. Okay, sand. You can see the sand on deserts and on beaches. Okay, add. It means plus. Plus. Okay, axe. Axe means that is used to cut down the trees. Axe. Okay. So, repeat the words with me again. A-N-T, ant. C-A-T, cat. C-A-P, cap. A-R-R-O-W, arrow. S-A-N-D, sand. A-D-D, add. S-A-T, sat. T-A-P, tap. A-P-P-L-E, apple. A-X-E, axe. Clear? You have to note it down in your English spelling copy. Is that clear? And you have to learn these words. Is that clear, students? Okay, that's all for today's class. Have a nice day all of you and take care.